is how you do the opening A. So you pick up the string and put it on both of your thumbs like this, and then take your your pinkies, and you pick up the string. So there's one line going across. And then take your index fingers and pick up that center loop, and then take the other index finger and pick up the center loop through the other center loop. And then you get this opening A. Have a friend put their hand down through the big hole from the top. Then release every loop except your thumbs and pull around their hand, and it's captured. And then do the opening A again, and then have your friend tell them to go through, but through the bottom loop, and then let go with everything but your thumbs, and then magic! To start, you're going to put your thumb inside the loop and put your pinky inside the loop so the string's going across in between your thumb and pinky. Then you're going to take with your other hand through the center loop, pick that loop and pull it through. And then do the same thing, pick your hand up through the center, pull the loop going across, out far. And then from the outside, go through the loop, grab these two that are on your thumb and pinky with your thumb and pinky, pull them out, and then take your thumb and pinky again and go through the two loops you have, and grab the bottom of the triangle with both fingers and pull it. Then take your pointer finger and go through and pick up the kind of triangle again, and then you let go with your thumb and pinky, and then wah! The bird. Okay, this is the Jacob's ladder. So first, do the opening A, drop your thumbs, and pick up the last loop from underneath. Then pick up the third loop from the front, then drop your pinkies, then pick up the third loop from the front, and then drop your thumbs. This is cat's whiskers. And then pick up the third loop from the front again, and then share the loop that's on your pointer finger. So you can, it goes across and makes a triangle. Then dip your thumbs down in the triangle to make this smaller triangle, and then put your pointer fingers in, let go of your pinkies and everything but your pointer finger and thumbs, and you have Jacob's ladder.